Hi friends, today I will talk about morning me time. What is morning me time? The first 20-25 minutes when you wake up in the morning, that I called as morning me time. My dear friends, it is very important to spend those 20 minutes with yourself, for yourself, and by yourself. Trust me, it has changed the life of many people I have guided, including myself. I have tried this and it works amazingly well. The first thing in the morning when you get up, you either do some kind of workout, you have your tea. If you like to read, you read, or if you don't like to do anything, just don't do anything. That is the best part. If you can just sit with zero thoughts, as they say, mindfulness. So at but that time, my only condition is don't talk to anyone in the first 20 minutes of your time. If you remember, in my yesterday's video I was talking about the difference between conscious mind and unconscious mind. Sleep time is that period between conscious and unconscious mind. When we wake up in the morning, our unconscious mind is highly active. So within those first 20 minutes, whatever you feed, it is going to stay deeply in your mind and it will have a major impact on your overall day. If you think good thoughts early in the morning, you notice this next time, that whenever you think good thoughts in the starting part of the day or first 20 minutes when you wake up, you entire day you feel good, your day goes well. And vice versa, if you have an argument with someone, or if you have a bad or a stressful thought right in the first 20 minutes when your day starts, your entire day goes that way. So this is the impact I'm talking about, my dear friends. The first 20 minutes of your morning are extremely important. It is for you, it is just for you. Just be with yourself, talk to yourself. A lot of people also do morning journaling. I have started doing that and I'm feeling amazing. Whatever you feel in the morning, what are your thoughts, just write it down. Trust me, all your stressful thoughts will be eliminated and you will be only left with good thoughts. But the only condition is you need to write it down on your morning journal. If you're not a writing journal person, then you can just stick to just not talking to anyone in the first 20 minutes of the day and just doing your morning routine and just chilling out. But your morning me time in silence, without any discussion with anyone, is extremely important. Do let me know in the comment section. Do it for 1 month and please let me know. I'll be looking forward to your comments. Like and subscribe to my channel and do share it with all your friends.